Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be doing for you apple wrap pork. I hope you all enjoy this one. If you do, please remember to like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell another friend, and press the notification bell so that you can receive our future videos. I'm going to show you the ingredients what we're going to be using for today. Right everybody, so these are the ingredients what we're using. I've got 2 pork loins. You can see the nice pork loins. I've already trimmed off as much as the fat as I can get off. Got a cooking apple, which is a Bramley one, or you can use a Granny Smith or any apple what you want to use. In here I've got some salt, got black pepper, brown sugar, coriander, onion salt, paprika, and some jerk seasoning, which is a jerk powder rub. So you can use any jerk seasoning rub what you want to use on this one. So those are the ingredients what I'm going to be using for today. Right, so I'm going to be back with you in a minute. Just going to get this board and everything ready and I'll be back with you. Right, so I've got my pork. I'm going to try and split it, if my knife is sharp, just down the middle, just to butterfly it. So you don't want it to cut all the way through, just want to butterfly it. So that's one. So this recipe is going to be on a slow roast. So let's move this board out the way. So there you've got your 2 arses pork. So I'm going to just shake this together. So just a lot of sugar, you just want everything incorporated. I'm just going to sprinkle that over your pork. I'm just going to rub that in. So we've got all our pork. So you just want it well seasoned. So this is a recipe that once it's in the oven you can just leave it and then go and do whatever else you want to do. So that's the pork seasoned. Give it a little taste just to make sure you don't need anything else in there. So that's how it should look when it's seasoned up properly. Right, so I'll be back with you in a minute. I'm just going to wash off my hands. Right, so I've got my Bramley apple now. We're just going to peel that. So as you know that apple or apricots are good a complement for pork. So I'm just using apple. Maybe later on I'll show you a recipe with using apricots. So I've got my apple done. Right, so I'm just going to rinse this off. Right, so I've got some foil. This is a very thick foil. So get your foil flat. You get your pork loin in the middle. Then you get your apple. You just slice it up. How you want to slice it. If you want to use wedges, use wedges. So I'm just going to do this and get back to you. So we've got our pork on our tray. We pull it this over to the edge. And then you're going to get that. Just dry off my ends again. So you want to get your foil and just fold it out over. So you bring it over the corners like that. So just making sure that none of the juices don't escape. Then you just fold it. Make sure it's tightly wrapped. If you're going to use a light foil, then you're going to need to double the foil so that you got a. But this is a heavy duty foil that I brought back from Jamaica. So you just put that in your tray. The other one, and you want your oven on 170, which is about a gas mark 4. And these are going to be in there for about 3 to 4 hours. Just want it to slowly roast. Alright, so arrange these. So this is going to give your pork a nice flavour into it. So you just want to come up to the side as tight as you can, hold that in, just pull that down. Then just bring up the sides. And just roll it up into so that all the juices and everything stay in there. And that's our pork prepared and it's ready to go in the oven. So we'll see you back in a few hours time when it's ready to come out. Right everybody, so we've had this in the oven for 3.5 hours. So I'm going to open it, let's see, you can see what it's going to look like. So just going to get this foil off. And that's our piece of pork. As you can see, all the apples gone. So I'm going to slice this up and put it on a plate and then show you what it looks like. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so that's how it looks on the plate. It's going to come out like pulled pork, you can see, but it's all your apple and everything's going to be mixed in. Then whatever sauce you want to put on top. You can put your salt, if you want to put ketchup or pepper sauce or whatever, you can do that. So I hope you all enjoyed this one. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend, and press the notification bell for when we put out more videos. So if you want to see more dishes like this or other dishes, drop them in the comment section and we'll get back to you. So thanks for watching, and see you all on the next one.